Sunforest offer used reconditioned Toyota forklift of various tonnage from 2 tons to 5 tons in good condition for sale in Singapore as well as worldwide. In the field of industrial logistics, reliable forklift equipment is the key to improving work efficiency. Today, we would like to introduce high-quality used Toyota forklifts from Sunforest. Sunforest now offers a series of used Toyota forklifts of various tonnages from 2 tons to 5 tons. These forklifts are all in good condition and are an ideal choice for you to improve your logistics handling capacity. Sunforest has conducted strict inspection and evaluation on each used forklift to ensure its good usage condition. Before sale, these forklifts will undergo comprehensive maintenance and repair, and worn parts will be replaced to ensure that their performance is in the best state. Compared with new forklifts, used forklifts are more affordable and can save you a lot of capital investment. At the same time, the high quality and reliability of Toyota forklifts make used forklifts still have high use value. Buying a used forklift can avoid waiting for the production and delivery time of a new forklift and can be quickly put into use to improve work efficiency. Used forklifts have gone through a certain usage period, and their impact on the environment is relatively small. At the same time, Toyota forklifts' energy-saving technology makes used forklifts more energy-saving and environmentally friendly in the use process. If you are looking for a reliable used forklift, you may consider the used Toyota forklifts provided by Sunforest. We will provide you with high-quality products and services to make you buy with confidence and use with ease. Welcome to contact us at any time to learn more about used Toyota forklifts.